Taking your vehicle to a big-name chain service provider can be expensive and irritating. Whether you need windshield repair, a new paint job or touch-up, or a tune-up. At Randall Reed's Prestige Ford, we provide complete service for your Ford vehicle, from regularly scheduled maintenance to transmission repairs. At our state-of-the-art service center, our factory-trained and certified Ford technicians take pride in getting you back on the road as quickly as possible. Visit us at www.prestigegarland.com. While you're there, read about our Quick Lane and our fast while you wait service. Schedule a service appointment. Get information about our high-tech collision center. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. Randall Reed's Prestige Ford is located at 3601 South Shiloh Road in Garland, Texas.